The main objectives are to extend the EFPF platform with the Product Passport solution and to provide a new service for monitoring selected workflows and business processes in company metalnets, using a set of sensors and unique digital identities of the monitored machines. Measurements from the vibration sensors are collected by the gateway node. The gateway node is responsible for the initial processing of the acquired data and transferring the resulting data metalnets' Wi-Fi network to Cloud IoT Hub. Measurements from the noise and air quality sensors are also transferred to the cloud via metalnets' Wi-Fi network. The existing SCADA system collects data about energy consumption. An IoT application was developed to collect and transfer this information to the EFPF platform. Smart Metal API collects all measurements from the IoT Hub, store data in MS SQL Product Passport database and publishes JSON messages with measurements to EFPF platform, that is Data Spine Message Bus. Machines are labeled with QR codes which are generated in the Product Passport solution. Each QR code contains a unique identity of the machine in the digital link GS1 format, enabling easy access to information-relevant data about the machine and the corresponding sensors. All measurements and insights are accessible and visualized in Smart Metal web application. A mobile app is implemented for data visualization. After signing in, the QR code scanner becomes active. Scanning a QR code on a machine, the ID of the machine is extracted and the machine monitoring service invoked. An overview of collected vibration, noise, PM and data from the SCADA system is collected, processed and visualized, enabling optimization of the working processes.